If you've been thinking about starting an online store, but you feel overwhelmed, you don't know where to start, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you step by step how to start your first Shopify online store and show you exactly how to find winning products and exactly how to automate everything, even email marketing and all the interesting stuff. So if you stay until the end of the video, I have an added bonus, a gift just for you. I'm going to be sharing with you 2 winning products that you can start selling right away that are proven to sell. What is Shopify? A lot of people might not even know what Shopify is. So Shopify is just a digital shop. It's like having a shop in the mall, but this time it's on the internet. It's online. You don't have to pay rent or any of that. And Shopify is a platform that pretty much will host your shop, and you don't need any like tech experience, any coding experience. So that's exactly what Shopify is. Before we jump into everything, I just kind of want to navigate Shopify for you and teach you exactly how to operate the Shopify app. So let's get inside the house. Let's get somewhere quiet. Let me go grab the laptop and let's get it. Alright, so now we're in the house. Let's get it. I'm gonna make this video as organic as possible. It's not gonna be like so many of the YouTube videos that you watch that are scripted and all of that from America and all these different countries. So this is my laptop, I'm putting it down. But before we get into it, I want to show you guys a little bit of my outfit. When I'm home, this is exactly what I'm wearing. And if you don't know me, my name is Raymond Jamba. I've done 8 figures online. So that's exactly who I am, because I figured that I did not introduce myself. Let's grab a chair and let's jump into the laptop and let me show you exactly what Shopify is and exactly how to navigate it and exactly how to find winning products and just like automate everything on my side. Let's get it. Alright guys, now that we see that and you guys can see Shopify, so I kind of just want to take you guys through Shopify so that you guys kind of understand exactly what the Shopify dashboard and platform looks like. So what we have here, where it's written home, it's the home page. This is exactly where you're gonna see your store sessions for the day, or for the last 7 days or 30 days. But on my side, I have today. You're gonna see your sales here. You're gonna see the number of orders, and you're gonna see your conversion rate. I like chilling here sometimes just to understand the analytics that I have. And then if you press here, you're gonna press orders. I'm just not gonna press it because as soon as I press it, it's gonna show customer details, which I wanna keep my customers protected. So when it comes to actually like importing products here by the product section, I actually don't use the Shopify side. I would usually go to AutoDS and I would search the name of my product, and let's say like for example this is my product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to import it as draft, and once it's imported as draft, what you want to come down to do, you want to come down to drafts here on the left side, and then here by the drafts, when it shows, as you can see, the one that I picked is still loading. You just simply want to press import, and then from just like that, it's going to import to your Shopify store. And to link AutoDS to your Shopify store, what you simply want to do is you want to come down here, and then you want to kind of add your store after pressing that button right there. So that's exactly how I'm importing products using AutoDS. And what's amazing about AutoDS is like for the first 30 days, you can actually like enter only using $1. And what will happen is you'll be able to find a winning products, because what AutoDS does is AutoDS is like a fulfillment method for dropshipping. What that means is like they send out a lot of products. Like they are the ones that are helping dropshippers actually like send out products, so they would know what's selling. So I simply like just use their platform to find a lot of winning products. But I'll get into AutoDS like right after I'm done like explaining to you exactly how to like navigate Shopify. And then this side we have collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfer, gift cards. I feel like these are like self-explanatory things that as you guys are navigating Shopify, you understand what that is. But that's exactly where you see your products. And then we have here, you have your customers. This is pretty much like where you're gonna see your customer listing, like everybody that's pretty much like leaves their email on your website. You're gonna find them over here. And then you have the marketing section, which I don't really play with, because with my email marketing, I have this tool that I am going to show you guys in this video that I use to automate a lot of this marketing. You have discounts. Here on discounts, this is where you can create coupon codes. This is where you can create discounts for people that are going to come to your digital store. And you note that like I'm rushing a little bit because I have a lot in store that I want to show you guys. What I'm showing you guys right now is just basic content. This is something I don't touch. Markets I don't really touch. Analytics I really enter if I'm trying to see where is my traffic coming from, what's my conversion rate, where are we for the day. That's what I pretty much like do analytics for. Majority of the time when I'm in analytics, I come over here to look at my average order value, because there's something that we call average order value. It matters when you're scaling and you're looking to make more money. Sometimes I scroll down to just kind of see where my sales came from. Like this one came from Facebook, as you guys can see. over here. And yeah, that's what those are the top things I'm looking at inside analytics. And then when we come down to online store, this is exactly where you are gonna build your store. But before we go any further, you guys are probably wondering, yo, how do we actually get this far? How do we get this far? How do you get to the Shopify dashboard? What I will do is I will leave a link in the description that will build your first AI website, and just follow every single step. And then once you followed every single step on that 9, you should have a store that looks something similar to this. And after you're done with that, it will bring you here at the Shopify dashboard where I am. And then point of sale, I don't really look at that. We have pages. This is where you pretty much create your different pages, but when you're beginning, you don't really need to mess around with this. Now guys, to the part that a lot of you guys have been waiting for, the settings. This is exactly where you do a lot of back-end things that will matter. So please pay attention as I navigate and teach you exactly how to play around with the settings inside Shopify. So we have general. Here by general, we have the name of the store, the email, contact details. This is just like your general information. And for those of you that want to change currency, here's where you can actually change your currency. You could press this and change the store currency right here. And the rest of the stuff is literally just basic. I leave it as is when you start your store. And then your plan, I usually recommend the basic plan, so just go for the basic plan, the one that I have here. Billing, this is definitely my card details. You don't have to enter that. Users, this is something that you don't need as a beginner as well. And then payments, guys. A lot of you guys in the comment sections of the previous videos have been asking me exactly how do you add pay gates and all of that. When you add pay gates, you simply want to come here by payments inside settings of Shopify, and then you want to scroll down. You want to press add payment method, and then search by provider. This is where you're going to search your pay gates that are do well, your pay stack. As you can see, pay stack here, you press pay stack, Yoko. That's exactly how you add your pay gate, for those that have been asking. Then you have your checkout. One thing I do in the checkout, I don't leave it plain. As soon as I go get it, I scroll down, and here was written shipping address, phone number. You want to click required. Make sure you decide you're clicking required. I'm giving you guys so much value, and I hope you're enjoying it. If you enjoying the value that you're receiving so far as a beginner, please say yes, I love the value in the comment section. I just love to see that. I just love to see that the things that I'm talking about do give that insight. And then here you have shipping, delivery, customer accounts. I usually don't play too much in there. All right, so when you inside shipping and delivery, this is exactly where you're going to create your zones. Let me show you exactly how to quickly create your zones. You want to come inside here, right? You want to scroll down. What you want to do is you want to add a shipping zone. And then if you're in whatever country you are, let's say you're in Asia or South Africa, or let's say you're in Hong Kong, right? For me, I already have South Africa. Pick South Africa. I know most of you guys are in South Africa. Say Hong Kong, say done. And then after pressing Hong Kong, come down here to add rates, add your rates, and you could you could just leave it like this. It's free shipping, which really works. Just name this free shipping. And if you don't want to add free shipping, just put a price and then call it standard shipping. All right, so I believe majority of you guys kind of understand exactly what I am doing. Like I said, I don't want to waste too much time here. Just like that, we have the shipping zone done. But I'm gonna delete this because I don't need the shipping zone. I'm only selling in South Africa right now. Then we're gonna save. Taxes and duties, I usually leave that open. Locations, I don't really press much inside locations. Let's scroll down. Domains, guys. Domain, this is exactly where you're gonna buy your domain. You're gonna buy the name of your store here. Let's say you wanna call it RaymondJumbo.com or whatever.com. All you wanna do is you're gonna press buy new domain, and let's look for a new name. Let's say Freshies. Right, let's say that's the name that you're looking for. You're just gonna say freshies.com, and then you're gonna buy that. Giving you guys a lot of value right now. Notifications, languages, the rest of the stuff I just leave it pretty much open. So that's exactly how you want to navigate Shopify, and that's exactly how to do Shopify. So let's go to the next chapter. All right, so now that you guys kind of understand exactly how to navigate Shopify, I want to move on to showing you guys exactly how I find winning products. Let's be honest, it's pretty easy on how to navigate Shopify. So now let's get into exactly how to find winning products. To find winning products, I simply use a tool called AutoDS, and what's amazing is AutoDS is also a fulfillment center. So let's say you want to try sell or advertise in USA, Canada, and all those different places. AutoDS could always ship products for you there. They could also ship to South Africa, but however, the shipping times to South Africa are long, but they do still deliver. So to get to AutoDS, what I will do is I'll leave a link in the description, so you just see exactly how to get to AutoDS, right? All right, once you've actually logged onto AutoDS, it's time to find your winning products, and it's time to use AutoDS as your fulfillment method. First things first, guys, I want to show you guys exactly how to find winning products, and I want to speak to you guys on exactly what's needed when you're looking for winning products. So a winning product is just pretty much like a product that's actually going to sell when you advertise it online. This is the product that's going to help you make profit. So the first thing that you need to consider is pricing. If you get it for $100, you need to be able to sell it for 300, 400 or more. So 3x the price, 2.5x, 3x, 4x, 5x, so that you can make profit. And then a winning trait is it needs to solve a problem. It needs to solve an emotional problem. If it catches someone's emotions, then that means it's probably gonna sell. And then what's the third thing? The third thing that I look for, it needs to provide some sort of transformation. Usually products that work provide some sort of transformation. So let's get inside AutoDS and let me show you exactly how I find products like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come down to marketplace, and then on marketplace when you're on marketplace over here, they're just gonna show you all the winning products, right? And what's amazing is I actually know the owner of AutoDS, and it's just super amazing to be able to know people that own AutoDS, because it just goes to show how legit the information they put that out there actually is, right? So when you're in marketplace, the first products that you're gonna see all over here, these are majority of the winning products and the products that are selling right now. You can see these days dropshipping products that actually work don't look like dropshipping products. They look like things like this, right? So you wanna always have your eye on products like that. So majority of the products that you're gonna see here are bestsellers. What I want you to do is, after seeing this products though, I want you to do a bit of market research. I want you to go actually find out this product, if I had to sell this product, does it really help somebody emotionally? What does it do for somebody? And check the comment sections, because if a lot of people are saying how much, a lot of people are saying I need, inside the comment sections, it's probably most likely to sell. And then the next best way to find products as well that sell is to come down to handpicked products. On handpicked products, they're gonna show you again products that they pick themselves, products that they know are working. They're the products that you're gonna see right there, and I want you to go do the research again. Let's say for example, if you see a product like this, go see the name of the product, go to TikTok, search it up, and then go check the comment section, see what people are saying. If you don't understand how to do that, I think the previous video or 2 videos before, I kind of explained the whole process in depth, right? And then also when you come down to trending products, you're gonna see more winning products. And yeah guys, this is the amazing thing about using tools like AutoDS, because they will literally cut the learning curve for you. So you guys also, if you want to use AutoDS as a fulfillment method, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just come down to add products, go to AliExpress, press single product, and then over here paste the AliExpress link. The AliExpress is pretty much a website that sells a lot of Chinese products. So you can just come out here, put the AliExpress link, and just like that, the product will be added to your store. So guys, that is AutoDS, and that is exactly how I'm using AutoDS to my advantage. And yeah man, I hope you guys are finding value. But with that being said, it's time to show you guys those 2 products that I promised that I will give you. And right after I show you those 2 products, I don't want you to go anywhere. I want you to stay locked in, because I know you're finding a lot of value in this video. I'm going to be showing you exactly how I automate my sales and exactly how I actually start getting sales. So yeah, let's get it. So the first product I want to give you right here is this product right here. This is a toothpaste that makes your teeth white, right? This is a very big insecurity. A lot of people want to get their teeth whiter. There are a lot of people want to have their auto straight. So this is a very good winning product. If you go right now to TikTok and you type niacinamide body X or toothpaste. Just do a little bit of homework, go in the comment section and check exactly what people are saying. And this product, you can easily get it for 120 rand, and you can sell it for 400, 500 rand, and it's something that I've scaled myself. So you are in luck. I can't even believe I'm giving you this product out here for free. So yeah, this is the number one product I want to give you. And then if we come down to the comment section, let's come down to reviews. We have 4,919 reviews. These are 4,900 people giving a review of the product. Remember, not everybody that purchases actually gives a review. So if we have over 4,000 people, giving reviews, we are using Amazon at this point to look at this. It basically means the product is selling well. And this is a little trick that I want you to. This is a little trick. I know I didn't say I was gonna give you guys, but because you stayed this long, I want to give you a trick that I do. Every time I'm about to sell a product, to actually understand who I'm selling to, I come into the Amazon reviews and I see what people are saying inside the Amazon reviews. My console login, yeah. I see what people are saying inside in the reviews, and based off what people are saying in the product reviews of the product that I'm selling, I then use what they're saying to speak to them in my ads. But yeah, that's something that's a little bit complicated. If it's a bit what I just said is a little bit complicated for you, I definitely understand, because I know that this is a beginner's video. So remember, I said I was gonna give you two products, right? I'm gonna give you the two products at the end of the video. I wanted to give you guys two right now, but I figured if I give you guys two, you guys are probably just gonna log out and not watch the rest of the video. And it's very, very important that you guys watch the entire video. So the next part that I wanna tell you guys is exactly how to get sales, right? So no screen recording, nothing, just listen now. To get sales, guys, I don't wanna lie to you, in this day and age, you do not want to find yourself doing organic dropshipping because of just how long it takes. And for me, I got to 8 figures just paying and investing and running ads. So what you want to do is you want to run TikTok ads or you want to run Facebook ads. And when you run TikTok ads and Facebook ads, those people that Facebook and TikTok fetches for you, they bring them to the website that we just created with Shopify. And then on Shopify, that's exactly where everybody is gonna make that purchase. If you don't know exactly how to run ads, back in my video, I actually do have a video written TikTok ad and a video written Facebook ads. So just go to one of those videos, follow exactly what I do in those videos, so you can be able to run your ads. But there's a topic that I love to speak about, that I always speak about in literally almost every video, because I like to emphasize on it. So every time you run ads, let's say about 100 people come to your website, right? If 2 people buy and 100 people on your website, there is 98 people that saw the product but didn't purchase. What do you guys think actually happens to those 98 people? Those 98 people doesn't mean that all the 98 of them didn't have money. It just means that they were hesitating. So what we need to do is we need to automate and create a system that will help us bring those people back to our website so that they could finish the actual purchase. And personally, I just genuinely love Omnisend. I spoke about it in almost every video now because of how powerful and how it's changed my life. So I kind of want to bring you to Omnisend and show you exactly how to use Omnisend to your advantage. So, and to explain what Omnisend is basically an email marketing tool, an email automated tool. So it sends emails to people that come to your website, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a second. To get to Omnisend, I want to leave a link in the description, and make sure that you're clicking the link in the description and then connecting it to the Shopify store that we have built. So guys, once you actually arrive at the Omnisend dashboard, what's going to happen is, if you use the code Raymond30 that I will leave in the description, you're going to get a 30% off. So when you're inside, I just want to show you exactly how to collect those 98 people that didn't buy, to turn them into purchases. It doesn't mean all of them are gonna buy, but if 2 more people buy, or 1 more people, or 3 more people buy, that makes a very big difference in our Shopify business or online store. So what you actually want to do is you want to come down to campaigns, and then not campaigns, you want to come down to automation, because remember I said we are going to automate your online business. You want to come down to automation, and you want to set up these three different categories that I have. We have the welcome email, we have the abundant cart, and the abundant checkout. Every time people come to your website, we want to welcome them. Every time they try to make a purchase but don't make a purchase, we actually want them to come back to our site. So what are we gonna do? What you're gonna do on your side, you're gonna come down to create workflow, and then the first workflow, that's so easy. It's like, the welcome flow. This is basically an email that when people come to your website, after like a minute, we send them an email, say, yo, thank you for visiting our website. We really appreciate you for visiting our website, and for that we want to give you a 10% discount for your next purchase. That already warms them up to your brand, guys. Like, what I'm saying here is like not basic stuff. It's like really major stuff that you guys need to learn and understand. So for me, what I do is like I usually just leave everything basic, because I like how everything is already like set for me by Omnisend, which is one of the reasons why I love it. But for those that like editing and like doing all of that nice stuff, what you want to do is you want to press welcome email, and then you kind of want to press edit content to get in to see like what content it is. So over here you could then just like change your logo image. If you have a logo image, you could put your logo image. If you want to change this message and write something warm, you could like type it and like just put it in your own words. As you can see, I'm already changing it, right? So to get this message like more precise to your brand, what you could do is you could go to ChatGPT, if you know how to use ChatGPT, and tell it to write a welcome email for you. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna press finish editing, and then I am gonna save. I'm gonna update this app. But because of this, I'm just gonna say start workflow once I'm done, right? But because I already have a welcome flow, I'm just quickly gonna delete that one. But that's how you want to create your welcome flow. Now let's get into like your abandoned carts. All you want to do is you actually want to press create workflow, come down through abandoned carts, say customize workflow. Then after customize workflow, what you actually want to do is you want to come down here and you want to change this to 10 minutes. This now is the email that they get every time after they add to cart. We can't email somebody after hours after they add to cart. We want to send them an email after literally like 5-10 minutes after adding to cart to bring them back to the website if they didn't make the purchase. And then we'll send again another second email, and then the second email, let's just make it 1 hour. And these are the settings I'm using personally, and the settings that work for me. They're the settings that are bringing people back to my website to buy. And what we want to do is we want to give them a 15% off, and this is the source that works. So we're going to press start workflow, and then just like that we have our abandoned cart up. So let's delete this as well, because I already have my abandoned cart there. Then the last one is abandoned checkout. Abandoned checkout is literally the same as the same thing as abandoned cart. So you just want to keep doing that and keep your people retained. And guys, Omnisend does not only give those 3 features. I want to speak about like some other features that I like as well. Let's say somebody now has purchased from your store and you're looking for like beautiful reviews from your store. What you could come down is you could come and you could set a review request. They literally could send emails to everybody that received their product from your store asking for reviews. And remember, once you have reviews, you get to like grow your brand, and this is like something that's a little bit more complex that I would speak about if I was speaking about scaling. But this video was just like for you guys to begin drop shipping. So this is exactly like how I'm automating my systems, and this is exactly how I'm making money on the phone. Of course, when you're getting like purchases and all of that nice stuff, it then rings here, but everything is pretty much like set on the laptop. So I would suggest getting a laptop. So that is the video, and that is exactly how you want to like build your first online store. This is a proven method that so many of my students and I that are winning actually do. And just at the end of the video, I do want to say, like, if this is something that you are interested in, or if you have tried before and you're like failing a lot, you're failing, you don't know which direction to take, you need somebody to help you. Myself and my business partner, we've actually created a program that helps people. It's helped countless people go from 0 to 100k per month. Some people from 0 to 200k. Some people are doing 10k days, like just different numbers. We've built something that we call the e-com mind, and here we dedicate majority of our time to to helping beginners start. So if you are interested and you want to join, like, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you to join. I don't know, if like, for those that follow me a lot, they know I close it often and I open it often. I don't know how long it will be open, but this is your chance right now. Go down in the description, click the link, pick what option really suits you, and it will work best according to your budget. But for me personally, majority of our winners get a lot of like help on the lifetime package. In the lifetime packages, we have calls literally every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, with everyone that's trying to start dropshipping, which makes an immense difference. But yeah, that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Guys, please make sure you are subscribing. Please make sure you are liking, because when you do that, it helps this YouTube channel grow. I really did enjoy giving you guys the sauce, and I'll check you guys in the next one. The next one might be a vlog, it might be a seminar, I don't know what it is, but peace out, guys. Peace. I'm kidding, guys. Peace to way. I did promise you guys the second product, and I'm about to give you guys just that. So the second product that you guys want to sell is like a hair growth product. If you use something like this, the reason why I'm so confident that it works is look at the amounts of ratings, and you guys, so when you come out on Amazon, 10,000 people plus bought in the world. So this is the second product that you guys could go and sell. Just type this inside the TikTok, what you guys are seeing here, minoxidil. Type this inside the TikTok and then check comment sections. You're gonna see this product is going absolutely wild, guys. I've given you guys 2 bangers. If you guys take action, set up your stores and run these bangers, you're probably gonna make money. And what I want you to do is send me a message on Instagram at Raymond Jumba. Show me your dashboard just of these 2 products that I've showed you. But now I'm about to dip for real. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and yeah, peace, love, and I mean it this time. I'm out. Peace, guys.